Now guys, it's time to unpack. Okay. Wow, that was nice when you came in. You're like that was very nicely done. Guys, look where he puts his license plate. Like, what the fuck, Rick? I just unloaded the car by myself because Rick's no help and everything's all together. So I just unloaded it and put it all here. It's all here. Everything we brought. Looks good, eh? I'm fucking out of breath.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. That was a heavy yo. Carrying half this shit. Doesn't it look good though? I set it right up. So yeah, I brought it all here. Is he cutting your bars for you or something?
Yeah.
So guys, I forgot my stool, to sit on. So, oopsies. Oh my god, I just want to let it go. I think bringing the stand was a great idea.
Yeah.
Just has everything on it. But whatever.
Onion rings.
Onion rings. Rick, why is there tape over there? You taped something down here? There's tape, right? The green tape over there on that bar. Why? Or is that paint chipping?
I was painting.
Oh, that's paint chipping? I don't like it, guys. So we're changing these. Well, no, we're not. We're adding. I don't know it. Not much. Just recording. Oh, you have to take those things off again?
Yeah.
Oh, man, this is a bitch. Remember we did this last time? It was such a headache. Why do we have to do that again?
Take everything off.
Aww.
It's gonna be off.
Shouldn't you have cut your things first? Your metal?
Well, I'm not using all this anymore. That's what's going on.
Yeah, but shouldn't we have cut the metal first? You know, the metal we needed to cut?
Oh, I still gotta take it off.
Should have cut the metal. Doesn't matter. You should have done that first. Now you're skipping things.
I'm gonna go take all this shit off.
This is brand new.
Just pads.
Yeah, I know.